equations to all possible common tangents of the circles x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square is equal to 1. So find the equations to all possible common tangents. We have to find the all possible common tangents to these equations. That is, further first we are finding the center and radius to the given circles. C1 is equals to center of the first circle, which is 1, 3, and radius r1 is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c, that is square root of 1 plus 9 minus 6, root 10 minus 6, root 4 is equals to 2. Now coming to this circle, center C2 is equals to 0, 0. Since this is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to r square, center is equal to 0, 0 and radius r2 is equals to 1 square, that is 1. Now finding the value of C1, C2. C1, C2 is equals to square root of, next I am finding the distance between the centers, that is 1 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square under square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 1 plus 9 root 10. This is C1 C2 value. Now what is R1 plus R2? R1 plus R2 is equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3, and this 3 is equal to root 9. Therefore the value of C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Since C1 C2 is equals to root 10 and R1 plus R2 is equals to root 9. Therefore the value of C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2. So in this case we have 4 common tangents to the given circles. So the number of common tangents to the given circles are 4. Which are like that. These two are the first two common tangents. Next these are the next two common tangents. These two are called the transverse common tangents and these two are called the direct common tangents. Means we have to find the equations of transverse common tangents and direct common tangents here. So for that first we are finding the PQ points, internal center of similitude and external center of similitude. So first we are finding the internal center of similitude point, that is P. But now we are replacing the values here. Nx2, that is 2 into 0 plus nx1, 1 into 1 by n plus n, 2 plus 1, comma my2, 2 into 0 plus ny1, 1 into 3 by 2 plus 1, and this is equals to 0 plus 1, 1 by 3, 0 plus 3, 3 by 3. So the point P is equals to 1 by 3 comma 1. Now we are finding the equation of transverse common tangent. So transverse common tangents. So transverse common tangents. First we are taking the time by the slope of the tangent. Therefore equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Here x1, y1 means we are taking this point, that is y minus 1 is equals to m into x minus 1 by 3. That is y minus 1 is equals to m into 3x minus 1 by 3. Which implies, taking cross product, 3 into y minus 1 is equals to m into 3x minus 1. That is 3y minus 3 is equals to 3mx minus m. Which implies 3mx minus 3y minus m plus 3 is equals to 0. Now this is the equation of the transverse common tangent. Now to find the value of m, we are applying the condition for tangency. That is, condition for tangency means we are taking here r2 is equals to d2. We are applying the condition for tangency to the second circle. R2 condition for tangency is R2 equals to D2. R2, radius of the second circle, that is 1, is equals to D2. Perpendicular distance of second center to the line, that is under modulus 0 minus 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 minus m plus 3 by square root of x quotient square plus y quotient square, 3m whole square, that is 9m square plus minus 3 whole square, 9. Now taking the cross product, square root of 9m square plus 9 is equals to under modulus 3 minus m. Now squaring on both sides, then this is 9m square plus 9 is equals to 3 minus m whole square, which implies 9m square plus 9 is equals to, taking the expansion, 9 plus m square minus 6m, which implies 9m square minus m square plus 6m equals to 0. That is 8m square plus 6m is equals to 0. Taking 2m common, 2m into 4m plus 3 is equals to 0. which implies 2m is equals to 0 and 4m plus 3 is equals to 0. That is the value of m, and the value of m is equals to minus 3 by 4. Therefore, equations of common tangents are case 1. In the case 1, we are taking the value of m is equals to 0. So, m is equal to 0 and x1, y1 means we are taking the internal center of similitude, which is 1 by 3 comma 1. Therefore, equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. That is y minus 1 is equals to 0 into x minus 1 by 3, which means y minus 1 equals to 0. This is the first equation. Now case 2, in the case 2 we take m is equal to minus 3 by 4, therefore equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is equals to 1 by 3 comma 1. That is y minus 1 is equals to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1 by 3, which implies taking cross product 4 into y minus 1 is equals to minus 3 into taking LCM here 3x minus 1 by 3, which implies 4y minus 4 is equals to minus 3x plus 1. That is 4y minus 4 plus 3x minus 1 equals to 0, which implies the equation is 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, equations of transverse common tangents are y minus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. Now we find the direct common tangents. To find the external center of similitude, to find the direct common tangents equations, this is the external center of similitude. Now we are finding that point using this formula mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Therefore, the point is minus 1 comma minus 3. Now finding the direct common tangents, further we are taking the slope of the tangent is equals to m. Then equation of tangent is this equation. Now here in place of x1 y1 we take this point, that is y plus 3 is equals to m into x plus 1. Y plus 3 is equal to mx plus n, that is mx minus y plus m minus 3 equal to 0. Now to find the value of m here, we apply the condition for tangency, that is r2 is equal to d2. For tangency, r2 is equals to d2, r2 is equal to second radius value 1 is equals to d2 means perpendicular distance from 0 comma 0 to this line, that is under modulus 0 minus 0 plus m minus 3 by square root of x quotient whole square plus y quotient whole square, that is m square plus 1. Now taking the cross product, square root of m square plus 1 is equals to under modulus m minus 3. Now squaring on both sides, that is m square plus 1 is equals to m minus 3 whole square, which implies m square plus 1 is equals to, taking the expansion, m square plus 9 minus 6m. Now here 1 minus 9 plus 6m is equals to 0. Converting these two terms to this side, which implies 6m minus 8 is equals to 0. That is 6m is equals to 8. Then m is equals to 8 by 6, that is 4 by 3. This is the slope of the tangent, and here m square is cancelled. So in the second case, we are taking the slope of the tangent is equals to 1 by 0. Therefore, case 1. In case 1, we take the slope of the tangent is 1 by 0. Since here m square is cancelled. And here x1, y1 means we are taking the external center of similitude, which is equals to minus 1 comma minus 3. Therefore, equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. That is y plus 3 is equals to 1 by 0 into x plus 1. Taking cross product, equation is x plus 1 equal to 0. 0 into y plus 3 becomes 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is the first equation. We take m is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, equation of tangent is y plus 3 is equals to 4 by 3 into x plus 1. Now taking the cross product, 3y plus 9 is equals to 4x plus 4. That is 4x plus 4 minus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. Therefore, the answer is 4x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, equations of direct common tangents are first equation is x plus 1 equals to 0 and the second equation is 4x minus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. That's all.